this way.
It's okay, little octopus. We're here to help. Animal power!
I'll show you. You'll look much better without this accessory. Better, right? Swim free.
Floof! It's his tentacles! They're so sore from being under the rock, he can't swim! Poor little thing!
That's okay. I see another hydrothermal vent where he can rest and heal.
Splendiferous! I'll carry him. This is a terrible color on me. Why did you ink me?
Lavender, don't yell at him! Now he's even more scared! Oh, it's not just that you yelled. He's scared because we're so big, and big things usually want to hurt him.
Oh, it's a size thing. Easy fix. Flitter flower micro power. Anna, can you ask the octopus if he'll follow me to the other vent?
Of course!
Come on, little guy. You're not afraid of me now, right? I'm small.